Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to take Tally backup in a pen drive. First, open your Tally application and identify the company data you wish to secure. It's crucial to ensure your pen drive has sufficient free space, typically several gigabytes, to accommodate your Tally data. Connect your pen drive to a USB port on your computer and confirm it is recognized by your system. This initial setup takes just a few moments, preparing you for a smooth backup process. Now let's locate your Tally data. Within the Tally application, navigate to the Data menu and select the backup option. From the displayed list, choose the specific company or companies you want to back up. You'll need to specify the source path, which is typically your Tally data folder, often found in the program files. Then, set the destination path to your connected pen drive's drive letter, like E drive or F drive. This step directs Tally where to save your valuable information. With your source and destination set, it's time to execute the backup. Press Enter or click Yes to initiate the process. The time taken will vary based on your data size, but it usually completes within a few minutes. Once the backup is finished, it's important to safely remove your pen drive from the computer to prevent data corruption. For extra assurance, you can optionally reconnect the pen drive and check for the newly created backup files to verify everything worked perfectly. To maintain optimal data safety, always follow best practices. Regularly back up your Tally data, ideally once a week or after significant entries, to avoid losing crucial information. Store your pen drive in a secure, separate location, away from your computer, protecting it from physical damage or theft. Consider using multiple pen drives for rotating backups, providing an extra layer of security. Finally, always ensure your pen drive is free from viruses before transferring any important data. Your data's integrity is paramount.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.